Hey, magandang buhay! So ako si Sir Ben at narito ako upang ituro sa iyo paano nga ba mag-simplify ng mga expressions that involves fractional exponents. Ready ka na? Great! So, when we are dealing with simplifying expressions that involves fractional exponents, kailangan alam mo lang ang laws of exponents. Very important na memorize mo yung laws of exponents, okay? So, let us have the first example. So we have the quantity of c raised to 2 over 9 times the quantity of c raised to 1/3. So ang gagawin natin yan dito is we apply the product rule. So kapag product rule, same base, i-add yung exponents. So in this case, this will be c raised to 2 over 9 plus 1/3. So 2 over 9 plus 1/3, we can rewrite that as 2 over 9 plus 3 over 9. So therefore, the answer will be c over 5 over 9. Next example tayo. So we have x raised to 1/2 over x raised to 3 over 10. So dito sa example na to, i-apply naman natin yung quotient rule. In that case, that will be x raised to 1/2 minus 3 over 10. So yung 1/2, pwede natin i-write yan as 5 over 10. So 5 over 10 minus 3 over 10, that will be 2 over 10. So x raised to 2 over 10. Siyempre, lagi, basta fraction, lagi naka-lowest term dapat. So that will be x raised to 1/5. Third example tayo. So we have a raised to 3 halves times b raised to negative 1/4 over a raised to 3/4 times b raised to 3/4. So gagawin ko niyan dito, apply the quotient rule per letter. So apply the quotient rule sa letter A, apply yung quotient rule sa letter B. So yung letter A ngayon, that will be a raised to 3 halves minus 3/4. Sa letter B naman, that will be b raised to negative 1/4 minus 3/4. So simplify lang natin yan. Gawin natin similar fractions. So yung 3 halves, eto, yung 3 halves na to, ang gagawin ko niyan dito, gawin ko siyang 6 over 4. Tapos naman, ito okay na to. So that will be negative 4 over 4. Simplify natin. Yung magiging exponent ng A ngayon, that will be 3/4. Yung sa B naman, that will be negative 1. Yung exponent niya is negative 1. Siyempre, simplify lang natin ito. Sa letter B, apply the negative exponent. So, yung final answer natin will be A raised to 3/4 over B. Fourth example tayo. So, we have 144 x raised to 3 halves y raised to negative 1/2 over 12 x raised to 1/2 y raised to 1/2. So, again, gagawin ko niya dito yung numbers natin, yung 144 at saka yung 12, i-isolate natin sila. So that will be 144 over 12. Tapos, sa letter X at saka sa letter Y, i-apply natin dyan yung quotient rule. So yung X, yung magiging exponent niya, 3 halves minus 1/2. Yung Y naman, yung magiging exponent niya, that will be negative 1/2 minus 1/2. Okay, yun yung exponent niya, no? Next, simplify lang natin. Siyempre, yung 144 over 12, that is 12. Ito naman, 3 halves minus 1/2, that will be 2 over 2. So x raised to 2 over 2. Ito naman, this will be y raised to negative 2 over 2. Simplify natin yan. That will be 12 x raised to 1, y raised to negative 1. Apply yung negative exponent dito sa y raised to negative 1. That will be, answer natin is 12x over y. Last example na tayo. The quantity of e raised to 21, f raised to negative 12, g raised to negative 6, raised to negative 1/3. So, ang gagawin ko niyan dito is i-apply ko na agad yung product to power rule. Ibig sabihin, sa bawat factor, i-raise natin sila ng negative 1/3. So, yung e raised to 21, i-raise natin ng negative 1/3. Yung f raised to negative 12, i-raise natin ng negative 1/3. Same thing with g raised to negative 6. Simplify lang natin. Ito, bali magiging e raised to negative 7. Ito naman, negative 12 times negative 1/3. So, it will be f raised to 4. Tapos ito, yung exponent ng g, negative 6 times negative 1/3, that will be 2. So again, dito, magiging denominator ngayon to applying the negative exponent. So yung final answer natin ngayon will be f raised to 4 g squared over e raised to 7. Okay? So kapag ka nagsisimplify tayo ng mga expressions na may exponents na fraction, as long as you know how to apply the laws of exponents, yung product rule, power to power, product to power, quotient rule, applying the zero exponents at saka yung negative exponents, hindi ka mahihirapan sa topic na to. Okay? So with that, maraming salamat sa pagkikinig and magandang buhay!